Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about handshaking lemma or sum of degree theorem and we'll discuss few problems on it. Welcome back friends. Let us discuss handshaking lemma, very simple theorem, and in the same video we'll discuss problems on it also. So the whole theorem will be completed in this video and it's very simple theorem. Let us read the theorem first. Sum of degree of all the vertices is equal to twice number of edges. This is the theorem. Sum of degree of all the vertices is equal to twice number of edges. Now let us take an example to understand it. Suppose this is the graph. Now let us add degrees of all the vertices. Its degrees too. I hope you know what is degree, right? What is degree? Number of edges intersecting at that point. Its degrees 2, its degrees 2, its degrees 2. Just add. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here the degree is 3. So 2, 2, 2 and 3, 9, and its degree is 1 because only one edge is connecting. So basically 10. Its degree, sum of degrees are 10, equal to what? Twice into number of edges. How many edges we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So see here. So this is what the theorem is. Yes, before going ahead, one point, if you want you can note down. This is called pendant vertex. Why it is called pendant vertex? Because see, vertex with degree 1 is called pendant vertex. Its degree is 1, it's called pendant vertex. And suppose if I add 6 here, that is called independent vertex. Why? Because degree 0. So degree 0 independent vertex, degree 1 is pendant vertex. So let us start with the problem. Now we have seen the theorem. Now we'll discuss the problem. The first problem is find the number of vertices in a simple graph. Obviously we're talking about the simple graph having n edges and having each vertex of degree 2. Having n edges, that means twice into n, because the formula says twice into number of edges. So here the edges are n, so that is 2 into n. And having each vertex of degree 2. So each vertex is degree 2. First vertex of degree 2, second vertex is also degree 2, third vertex is also degree 2. Now we need to find a number of vertex. So let's say we have 5 vertex. So adding 2 v times, you can simply say it is 2v, or multiplying v with 2, one and the same thing. So vertices will equal to n. So that is the result. If edges are n, vertices are also n. Now if you're not comfortable with this, let me explain you with the help of an example. Suppose v is 5. Now what do you mean by v5? Means we are going to add 2 5 times. So that will become 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 10. So adding 2 5 times, or simply 2 into 5 is what? 10. So one and the same thing. Therefore it's basically we writing 2v. So v is equal to n. So number of vertices equal to n. You can verify with the help of example also. Each vertex has degree 2. So let me consider this example. See here. Each vertex is degree 2. So how many edges are there? See. Edges and vertices are equal in this particular graph. So if there are 4 edges, there are 4 vertices. This is what the problem is all about. Let us start. And obviously we cannot draw a graph in each and every problem because there may be number of vertices, more edges. See here, 21 edges. So obviously we cannot draw. So we should know the formula. Here the problem is simple. Therefore I have discussed this with the help of example. Let us move on. Find the number of vertices in a simple graph with exactly 6 edges, in which each vertex is of degree 2. Again the same thing. Exactly 6 edges means 2 into 6. Each vertex is of degree 2. So 2 into, let us assume the number of vertices v. V is equal to 6. So this is your required solution. Let us move on. Let us discuss the next example. Determine the number of edges in a graph with 6 nodes. So there are 6 vertices first of all. And we need to find it out the edges. 2 of degree 4. So out of 6, 2 has the degree 4 and 4 are of degree 2. So sum of degree is what? See, sum of degree means 2 vertices are degree 4 and 4 degree has vertices 2. So sum of degree is equal to this, is equal to twice number of edges. So that's the story over. So this is what 8 plus 8 is 16. So divided by 2 is 8. So E is equal to 8 is your required solution. Also we need to draw such graph. So we need to draw such graph. So let's draw. There can be number of ways of drawing this graph. So I'm showing you one way. 2 of degree 4, 4 of degree 2. So 2 of degree 4 and 4 of degree 2. See, this is one graph. 2 vertices of degree 4 of degree 2. See here. This is degree 2, this is degree 2, this is degree 2, this is degree 2. So 4 vertices of degree 2 and 2 vertices of degree 4. This is of degree 4 and this is of degree 4. So you can draw such graph. There can be other representation also. There can be number of representations. So the way you want, you can draw it. Next, a graph contains 21 edges. So the formula is 2 into edges first of all. And 3 vertices of degree 4. 3 vertices is of degree 4 and all the other vertices are a degree 2. My aim is to find it out the total number of vertices. See, it's very simple again. We need to find it out the total number of vertices here, and it's given 3 vertices of degree 4. So 3 vertices of degree 4 and the remaining vertices are of degree 2. Find total number of vertices. If I'll assume the total number of vertices are n, 3 we have already taken here because 3 vertices are degree 4 and the remaining vertices are of degree 2. If there are total n vertices, we have already considered 3, therefore it will be n minus 3. So this is the equation. If you solve, we'll get the result. So let's do it. So this is 12 plus 2n minus, open the bracket, 6 equal to 42. So 12 will go to that side, will become 30. 42 minus 12 is 30. Minus 6 will go to that side, will become plus 36. 2n up plus 36. 2n is equal to 36. N is equal to 18 is the required solution. Let us discuss the last problem. A graph with 35 edges, 4 of degree 5, 4 of degree 5, 5 of degree 4, 4 of degree 3. Find the number of vertices with the degree 2. So in short, so this is the question. See here, what the problem is saying? There are 35 edges. So edges we have written here. 4 of degree 5. So 4 vertices has degree 5. Next, 5 vertices at degree 4. Next, 4 of degree 3. Find the number of vertices with degree 2. So with the degree 2, how many vertices are there? So this is my problem. I just need to get the value of x and the work is done. So this is 2x plus, this is 20, this is 20. So this is 40, 40, this is 52. This is 70. So 52, that is 18. So 2x equal to 18, x will be 9. So that is my required result for this particular problem. So that's it. We're done with handshaking lemma problem. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.